This is how you replace the watch bands on the Google Pixel Watch 2. So first thing you do is you locate where the band joins the body of the watch, and you'll see there's a button here. Now the easiest way I've found to do this is to get the watch band and provide a little bit of pressure towards the button, push it that way, and then push the button in, and it just slides off. Easy as that. Then to put it back on, press the band onto the button, and then slide it down onto the rail, and that's clipped in. Same thing with the opposite side, a little bit of pressure, press the button in, and it will just slide up. And then to put it back on, watch band on the button, slide it down, make sure it's in the rail, otherwise as you can see it won't clip in properly. On the button, slide down, and that's all ready to go. Make sure that they're all lined up. And that's how you can replace the watch band on the Pixel Watch 2.